friends, hola amigos. So I just bought this edamame pasta. Acabo de comprar esta pasta de edamame ketogénica, es keto. So I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna try to make this for the first time with some chicken. Voy a hacerla con un poco de pollo. Basically it's a one pot pasta. Una pasta en una olla. Get some onion ready and some maybe some pepper, something like that. You know that I don't really care if the onion is fine or not. A mí no me importa que la cebolla esté cortada muy fina. Mushrooms, enough. Same with the mushrooms, ¿eh? Lo mismo con los champiñones. Just chop them a little bit, los cortamos un poco. Some tomatoes also we're gonna make. So first, un poco de mantequilla. Un poco de ajo, some garlic. La cebolla, los champiñones, the onions and the mushrooms. Now I just chop some tomato and some yellow pepper, tomate y pimiento amarillo o naranjo. I have some chicken breast here. Aquí tengo pechuga de pollo that I'm just gonna season with salt and pepper. Voy a echarle sal y pimienta, olive oil, aceite de oliva, pimienta, pepper, sal, salt, some herbs, herb mix, mezcla de hierbas, and that's it for now. Eso es por ahora. It needs a little bit of green though, le falta un poquitito de verde, so I'm gonna get some scallions. Voy a sacar un poquitito de cebollín. Big room for the chicken. Tengo un poco de espacio para el pollo. Some cilantro on the chicken, un poco de cilantro en el pollo. Okay, so now that we have water almost boiled, we're gonna add the pasta. Vamos a añadir la pasta ahora que tenemos agua ya casi hirviendo. Just gonna put it on top, I guess. Ahí. Y esto supone que toma entre 2 a 4 minutos. It takes between 2 and 4 minutes. So, or until it's al dente. But we'll see. Because we don't have it all under the water, right? No está todo bajo el agua. So most of it is gonna be done or cooked by the vapor maybe, or maybe not, huh? So we'll see what happens. Okay. Ha pasado buen tiempo ya. Good time passed. So mix it a little bit. Then we're gonna have to get rid of the water, which is too much. Some of the water of this. I'm gonna try to drain this para tratar de colarlo. I'm gonna add this Greek yogurt. Vamos a agregar este yogur griego acá. Yeah, something like that. I think that's gonna be the best I can do. Maybe it's not bad for the first time. So now, just gonna serve. Vamos a servir un poquito. Qué poquito. Un pocote, Carlitos. Cabrera. Se queda en un platito. Ese es el plato entonces, ojalá les haya gustado, ojalá quede bueno, así que nos vemos en otra ocasión. Chao amigos, nos vemos. See you later, bye.